is a fiddler crab. Where at? Tommy!
Hey, Paul.
So what do you got in your hand here? What's going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video here. We're at Juneau Dunes. You know what's crazy? I grew up in this area, completely like, I used to fish in that pier right there, where that building is, every single day. And I've never been to this place in my life. So what are we looking for out here? What are we gonna run into? Before we get any further on into the video, this is Tommy the aquarium guy. He actually maintains my 160-gallon saltwater aquarium. If you're not familiar, he's a genius. Has a degree in marine biology, and you're about to learn a lot. So stay tuned, stick along, and enjoy the video.
All kinds of cool stuff.
Yeah, all kinds of cool stuff. And you know, when Tommy's here, you better turn on your listening ears because you're gonna learn some stuff. Did you make this yourself?
Yeah.
PVC with tape and
Saran wrap.
Saran wrap. That's so you can see into the water.
Yep.
But Tommy, what are we doing today?
We're gonna hike out through there. A good, 10, 12 miles, and go to a floating dock.
And hopefully find some crazy stuff there.
Yeah.
My mom's actually on her way too, because she loves to hike and get in the outdoors and all sorts of stuff. So she's gonna be here as well, and we'll have fun. Me, Tommy, and my mom. Thanks, Mom.
Here's one for Tommy.
He got one.
You got one?
Yeah. You got water? All right. Mom, it's 14 miles.
What? No.
It's only about 1.4, but it's still gonna be fun. Tommy's looking at all sorts of plants. He's like, what's this? I'm sure we're running into some gopher tortoises. We're gonna see some crazy stuff on the water. Not only are we gonna see some cool stuff, but finally getting a nice walk, a nice workout.
I'm surprised that it's paved.
Now the panther's gonna come running down the trail like that video.
Oh my God. Holy shit.
My God. My mom would be in the bushes in 3 seconds. I'd be like, come here, buddy. These trails, you can see the trails from all the animals. Tommy's gonna have a full stomach by the time we're out of here. He's eating every dang plant we walk by.
I skipped lunch.
Florida
because I knew we were coming here. Smilax?
Smilax.
But these, I think it's Virginia willow, but they have cool caterpillars.
Thanks for coming on the hike with me, Cuffaros. Oh, we're going into dirt now. I can't believe there's this much land left in Florida and they haven't developed it.
Yeah.
That's my shocker.
Yeah, right?
We're running into some water now. If you look real closely, I'll zoom in on the edit. But there's an osprey all the way up there with her babies. That's really cool. Check this out. Now we are on the water. So all these are big old houses here in Jupiter, Florida. Right there. And this is like a little cove. The water comes in. There's floating docks and a bunch of rocks here. And this is part of the preserve. You can see a bunch of little tiny sand perch right there. Oh, yep, fish getting blown up over there. Now I'm sure a lot of bait comes into here from this main channel right here. Bait will pour in, and then these big snook, tarpon, redfish come in with that bait, and it's easy to pocket up the bait and push it to this corner in this more shallow water. So these fish just come in here and eat. And there's probably some big fish in here. And lots of oysters too. So it's kind of like low right now, but on a high tide, sheep's head come in here. I'm sure black drum come in here. A ton of different species. And I'll pop up pictures of all those fish so you know what they look like. It looks like they're growing some mangroves too. All sprouting mangroves. It's really windy. Look real closely. You got a big crab on a rock. I can't quite see what kind of crab it is. I don't exactly know, but he's in a good spot. See the mullet? We got a bigger mullet right there. That's the ones that I guarantee you those are the same fish that were getting blown up in the back over there. Tommy, I really don't know exactly what these smaller fish are. They look like either baby mullet, but they're not really giving that look off. So it might be like little greenies, like pilchards. Check this out. If you look real closely, we're seeing all sorts of stuff. There's a live shrimp. Saw that when I just tilted the camera a little bit? So now we've got this big floating dock and we're just walking around. Take a look around, see what you see. It is low tide right now. As you can see, all the water's super low. But what a cool experience. And the fact that I could bring you along with me is even cooler. That is a fiddler crab. Super cool crab. and they live up in these oysters and rocks, and this is what all the fish eat. Well, by fish I mean like snapper and sheep's head and stuff like that, but hopefully you can hear me, the GoPro's not foggy. There's a lot of feather dusters down there, which is like super cool. We have those in the tank. Yep. Connected to some of our snails are the feather dusters, and there's a ton of them in here. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. I don't even know what kind of crab that is.
Look at it.
Come on, buddy.
Ow.
Hey, where's
Where's it going?
So this is a porcelain crab. And they're actually not crabs, they're squat lobsters that through a process called carcinization have like adopted a crab-like body morph. There you go.
Oh my god.
So those big claws are purely for show. If you stress these out, they just drop them immediately. So you gotta be real gentle with them.
Dude, that's crazy.
It has a chunk taken out of it.
I bet your sheep's head.
Probably, that's wild. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
You literally
Dude,
see
that is,
into the body cavity.
It's quite literally a.
Oh my gosh.
It's literally a chunk from a sheep's head. Just ate him, and he got away.
Oh, watch it swim.
What the heck? Look at all the freaking crabs. So many of them. Those are fiddler crabs. What do you get? What the starfish?
Brittle star.
Brittle star.
How did you find that?
It was crawling up the wall.
Wow.
I've never seen that before. I wouldn't even know that was a starfish.
Wow.
Pretty cool, right?
Oh. Oh, he feels weird.
Let's put him back. Ready?
It's wiggly. It's beautiful.
Probably just put him in, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can just put him in.
There you go. Does he want to go up the wall or he's fine?
That's what I was talking about, the sheep's head and, you know, everything pretty much. Snapper feeds on this. The moment I let him go, he's just gonna run and find a little hole. Oh, and he's gone. Good one. And he's got no hole to kind of get into, so you just grab him. You can put these on a hook and have live bait for yourself. No problem at all. Super cool and beautiful crab. Look at the colors. He's eating, dude. He's going rock to rock, trying to pull off anything he can find.
Look at how cool he is. Oh my god. You used to see them at the
So, well, we explored it. We walked it. He said it's not as impressive as it usually is it?
Yeah, no, it wasn't. Still really cool though.
It was very, very cool. If you guys enjoyed stuff like this, let me know down in the comments down below. My camera died, so I had to move to my phone. We got spots up north that we could probably find some crazy stuff. So let me know. So now that we've showed the preserve, it was super, super fun. That was an awesome video. I'm here. You're probably like, what the heck? Title and thumbnail? What? Paul has another house? Yes. The answer to that is yes. This is it. Super cool. Corner lot. Nice yard. House is nice. This is what I've been talking about for a long, long time, what I have in the works. Now, I'm not gonna say anything else about this. Everything else to be a surprise and mentioned in later videos, but house. Now, no, we're not selling the farm, no.
Thank you.
I'll explain everything about this in a later video. Why spoil it now? We're gonna film a whole video like walking through it, showing you the whole thing, all that good stuff. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. But this is just super cool and I'm excited, beyond excited for this. It's nice, it's big. It's got a nice shed too. Just imagine. Think about all the fish tanks. I've been looking for months and we finally found the right one. We got accepted. Inspection, appraisal, all the annoying stuff out of the way, and it appraised. With this market, I'm so glad it appraised because the last 3 didn't. The market in Florida right now is just, everyone's moving here. But this house right here, I'm super excited for. Lots of cool videos. Just wanted to let you guys know. Stay tuned, stick along. And Cuffaros, I thank you so much because doing stuff like this is 100,000%. See, I said 100,000, 100,000% not possible without you watching this video right here. So thank you so much. This is our house. Again, I'll explain more on this in a later video. I don't want to spoil anything. I love you so much. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bunnies. Cottontail rabbit. Rabbit. Sorry, not bunny, it's rabbit. Different.